Welcome to another section of weekly analysis. It's been a while. Yeah. Shout out to Anthony. He's the one sponsoring this episode. Normally I want to start from the weekly time frame, but I want to start from the monthly time frame because this is a new month, so we just want to see how the candle of the previous month closed. Yeah. So we can see that here we had a bullish candle here. This is a monthly time frame. We have bullish candle here. We have bullish candle here. Then the last two monthly candles were not enough to overtake the bulls. So from what we can see here now, we can actually see that the bulls are still in the market. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Let's go down to the weekly time frame real quick. Let it be slow. Shit. Sorry for that. So on the weekly time frame now, okay, so it doesn't appear. Let's go back to GBP/USD. These are my markings. So on the weekly time frame now, weekly time frame, we can see that we had this is a pullback, then we continue pushing back up, then we started pulling back towards the support zone. So let's just put out our zones on the chart so we know what we're doing. So exactly, I'm just delete this. So exactly, we can see that what has been happening so far, these ash zones, you can see that price left this zone, came here, dropped, broke out, came here, touched back here, dropped down here, touch here, so it's retesting here. So from basic what we're seeing, we know that what expecting want something like this, at least. Yeah, that's right. I don't want this high to get taken out for the uptrend to continue. I want something like this. From what we can see here, this is clear, right? Now from this we already have our buyers. We know that our uptrend, we know we can see that we can see how our previous weekly candle closed like this. Very important. Let me show you guys this trick. So our weekly candle closed, we had the support here, but our weekly candle closed how? It closed it closed above the support. It didn't break the support. See the wick is telling that yeah, I'm rejecting the support. It's as clear as that. It's telling I'm rejecting the support. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see what's happening on the time frame. So we can see here now. First thing first, it's good to draw the trend so you'll not be confused. Let me just show you guys. We have something like this. You have this previous low, this is highest high here. Then we came back here. This is a typical example. First of all, remember I expected something like this. So let me just delete this. I don't want a rough chart. So this is a typical example of what we call I call it liquidity. This is a very typical example of liquidity. This is what I mean. This is a visible support. What I call visible support. That means everybody in the market is seeing this zone. See, everybody in the market is seeing this support. But see what happened. 1, 2, 3. There's no way the support will not be taken out for this trend to continue. That is liquidity. For a trend to continue, liquidity has to be taken. So liquidity got taken out. Then we had a retracement, which looked like a fake out initially, came back here, then finally broke. Now see the trick. Taking out the liquidity and breaking back above the liquidity is the trick here. So after I took out the liquidity, right, now came here and broke above the liquidity, and now it was retesting it. So this is basically like a break and retest setup. So this is it here. We broke out of it, then now it's retesting it, as you can see here. So for me, I was expecting our first movement back to this high. If this high can hold, then we can see something. If this high breaks, we can see something like this to continue upside. If you then if it doesn't hold, there's always a if. If it doesn't hold, you can see something. If it doesn't, you can come here and you can crash back down here. You feel me? Then before going up again or anything. So it's going to say if, and then from this you should already know how your end should be. This should be this is a nice order block. From this I plan to attack this chart. I just have to wait for maybe a breakout. I already noticed. I see what London session, my sessions are doing. I have some easy what a descending triangle in an uptrend. What does it mean? Continuation pattern is as simple as this. Too simple at this point. Then so I will be so happy if I see something like this. If I just see something like this, is my first trade. Retest here. Pooh, this is like my first trade. This is about how many pips? 70 pips. I'm a day trader, that is okay for me. 70 pips as they. Then if I see a break above retest, I look for a retest and continue. Basically, so that's what I'm looking at for the week. Yeah, already long, so thanks, peace. Then okay, I wanted to talk about something. What is that shit I want to talk about? It will be the longest video I've had on this channel. What the fuck? I don't edit my videos, so I'm too lazy to edit. So this is what I'm talking about. Having a constant edge without expecting losses in a dynamic market is not realistic. Like, it's as clear as it sounds. Your edge is constant. What I mean your edge is constant, you do the same thing every day, right? That's a constant edge. And this market is dynamic. That means what? It changes, always changes. So for you to have a constant edge in a something that changes, your edge is constant in an environment that changes, you know that you can't avoid losses. Those definitely losses. So it's just all this, you just keep your psychology in check. When you have losses and know that okay, you move on. Peace. Thanks.